You've probably seen ads claiming that detox teas, juices, or pills can magically melt away fat. The truth? Most of them don't work, and some can even harm your body. In this video, we're going to cut through the hype and give you 3 real, natural ways to support your body's detox processes and help with sustainable weight loss. No gimmicks, no crash diets. Just science-backed habits that work. Before we talk about detoxing for weight loss, it's important to understand what detox actually means. Your body already has built-in detox systems, mainly your liver, kidneys, and digestive tract. These organs work around the clock to remove waste, filter toxins, and maintain balance. You don't need expensive powders or starvation cleanses. What you need is to support these organs so they can do their job more effectively. It's detoxing, when done right, isn't about flushing out toxins with one magic drink. It's about building daily habits that keep your internal systems functioning at their best. Let's start with the simplest and most overlooked detox method: drinking enough water. Hydration plays a major role in nearly every bodily function, including digestion, fat metabolism, and toxin removal. When you're dehydrated, your kidneys can't properly filter waste, and your body becomes sluggish, both physically and metabolically. Aim to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day, depending on your body size and activity level. While lemon water won't burn belly fat like some claim, adding lemon can improve taste and provide a small vitamin C boost, but the fat-burning effect? That's a myth. Focus on staying consistently hydrated throughout the day. A simple yet powerful way to support weight loss and detox. Next is fiber, a key component of any effective detox strategy. Fiber acts like a broom for your digestive tract, helps your body eliminate waste, and prevents the buildup of toxins in your gut. A fiber-rich diet also supports healthy gut bacteria, which in turn boosts digestion and overall immunity. Some of the best fiber sources include vegetables, fruits, legumes, oats, flax seeds, and whole grains. Start your day with chia pudding or oatmeal, and add leafy greens to at least 2 of your meals. The added benefit? High-fiber foods are also naturally low in calories and high in nutrients, making them perfect for weight loss. Just make sure to increase your fiber intake gradually and drink more water alongside it. This will prevent bloating or constipation. The third habit is movement, and no, we're not talking about ours at the gym. Moderate, consistent physical activity boosts circulation, stimulates lymphatic flow, and helps your body process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. It also enhances fat metabolism, burns calories, and supports hormonal balance, all essential. For healthy weight loss, aim for 30 minutes of movement most days of the week. This can be walking, dancing, stretching, cycling, or even home workouts. Sweating alone doesn't detox the body, but it does support the skin's role in toxin elimination. More importantly, movement helps regulate the systems that do the heavy lifting: your liver, lymph nodes, and digestion. Let's be clear. You don't need a skinny tea, a juice cleanse, or a $100 detox kit. Most of these are temporary fixes that can disrupt your metabolism, cause dehydration, or even lead to nutrient deficiencies. If something promises extreme weight loss in days, it's probably not sustainable or safe. The most effective detox plan is the one your body already follows, supported by real food, clean water, and daily movement. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to nutrivital for more science-based tips on weight loss and natural health. Got a detox myth you want busted? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it in our next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, lasting change comes from consistent habits, not quick fixes.